In the natural world, there are living things that exist only in one specific place on the planet. They are unique species, unrepeatable, impossible to find in any other corner of the Earth. Finding an endemic species is like discovering a hidden treasure, an experience that connects us with the purest essence of life. And in the heart of South America, there is a land that shines with a special light. A country not only recognized for harboring more than 1,900 bird species, but also for being home to 120 of these endemic species. One of the most dreamed of destinations for birdwatchers across the globe. Peru, the treasure of endemic birds. Peru is a nation characterized by a remarkable diversity of landscapes and cultures that coexist within its borders. The desert coast along the Pacific Ocean harbors life in a surprising diversity of habitats. The Andes rise with imposing peaks and valleys that shelter unique species. And the Amazon spreads its vast green mantle, one of the most diverse forests on the entire planet. These three distinct yet nearby worlds create a unique habitat that serves as an ideal sanctuary for birds. Here, diversity is no coincidence, it is a legacy. And endemism, far from being an exception, has become the rule that makes Peru a true sanctuary of biodiversity. This richness is not accidental. The rationale is embedded within the geographic features of the nation itself. The Andes, perhaps the greatest factor, though not the only one, create natural barriers that shape diversity through their intricate web of mountains and the division of the country into multiple ecological tiers. Cloud forests, deep gorges, and high-altitude woodlands become true islands of life where birds have followed their own evolutionary paths. Science gives this dynamic a name, endemism, a term that comes from the Greek endemios, meaning native. And in biology, it refers to species that exist only in one specific place, in the world. Corners where life has adapted to conditions found nowhere else on Earth. Peru's endemic birds are as diverse as its landscapes. To better understand these globally valuable spaces, science recognizes them as endemic bird areas, or simply EBAs. And Peru, blessed by nature, is home to several of them. placing it among the most important territories in the world. In the Tambesian region, the dry forests gift us unique jewels such as the Peruvian plant cutter and the white-winged guan, symbols of an ecosystem as fragile as it is special. Here we also find those popularly known as near endemics, birds that cross borders and that we share with our neighbors in Ecuador. In the same way, the influence of the Humboldt Current connects us with our Chilean neighbors, harboring species that exist only within this rich Pacific corridor. The Central Andes hold many lesser-known treasures, and Lima's department offers a surprising range of hidden wonders beyond the capital. Among the high Andean lakes and lagoons, charismatic species emerge like the Titicaca grape, celebrated for its singular beauty. And the Marañón dry forest, sculpted over millions of years by the river that bears its name, is another refuge for extraordinary species. To the east, the Andean cloud forests conceal remarkable features within their dense vegetation. Hummingbirds are notable among charismatic birds for their unique shapes and vibrant colors, with many endemic species. Others, even more specialized, maintain an intimate relationship with exclusive habitats. ecosystems that feel as if they were designed to protect nature's most precious treasures. Even so, in Peru, science and geography reveal a clear message. Endemic birds are as exclusive as they are vulnerable. To conserve them is not only to protect a symbol of biodiversity, but also to preserve the balance of the ecosystems that sustain us. As Peruvians, we are guardians of a unique heritage, an indispensable refuge for the global conservation of birds. But this richness faces a great challenge. More than half of the world's restricted range birds are threatened by the loss of their habitats. And in our country, deforestation, agricultural expansion, illegal mining, and climate change put these fragile spaces at risk. Losing them would be like tearing out irreplaceable pages from the history of life on Earth. Birdwatching is not only an activity that involves observing birds, it is also a way to encourage increased awareness and appreciation for wildlife. Today, birdwatching has become one of the most powerful tools to protect our ecosystems. And in a country like Peru, with more than 1,900 species, including 120 endemics, this opportunity is not only unique, it is incomparable. Exploring Peru means immersing yourself in a sanctuary of life, a paradise that invites us to discover, defend, and love this land where every wingbeat, every song, every species is a reminder to preserve what makes this country a place unlike any other in the world. Peru, the best destination for birdwatching.